Over the last few releases, we've been quietly building something clever into GitKraken. AI with context, not just guesses. You've already seen it help you explain commits, write commit messages, and polish pull requests. Well, with version 11.2, GitKraken AI is ready to tackle your most annoying coding chore, merge conflicts. Next time you hit a conflict, click into the file like usual, but now you'll see a shiny new button, Auto Resolve with AI, and boom. Just one click and GitKraken will suggest a context-aware resolution and explain what it's doing. Each conflict gets an explanation along with a confidence level for that hunk of conflicted code. And yes, you still run the show. Tweak the AI's work by rewriting the output or use the confidence level to decide what needs more attention. For those that love to tinker, you may add your own custom instructions for conflict resolution from Preferences, GitKraken AI. This feature is launching in preview, which means it's live, but also evolving. So if it nails a merge, awesome. If it floods something, please tell us, as this feature will continue to evolve thanks to everyone's feedback. Oh, and before we move on from GitKraken AI, Commit Explain now caches your 5 most recent results so you can reread them without burning through your tokens. Efficiency upgrades across the board. Okay, another treat from 11.2, Revert Hunks. You can now roll back a specific hunk directly in the file diff. When viewing a file diff in Hunk View, click this button to drop an equal and opposite change into your working directory. Next, working solo is fine, but if you want to bring others in, 11.2 adds invite buttons to make that much smoother. Finally, your commit graph and panels will now show the provider avatars from services like GitLab, Azure DevOps, and Bitbucket. Because it's the little things, right? So, did we strike the right balance? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, from all of us at GitKraken, stay legendary.